Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine, founder of Sewing in the City, and in this video, I'm going to quickly introduce you to my newest sweatshirt pattern, the Sullivan. It comes in two views, so you have the long sleeve as well as a little sleeveless for summer. It's super cute. So the sweatshirt itself is just a bit cropped, so it does hit right at the top of the hip. I designed the sleeves to be just a little bit extra generously long, so you can wear them obviously full length. I kind of like that they fall here. And then we have just a narrow crew neck that finishes the neck. Of course, bands on the waist as well. But the shining star of this pattern is really the ruffles. So if we've been friends for a while, you know that I love sweatshirts and I love ruffles. So the Bleecker has been a really fun pattern, and now the Sullivan is kind of like the Bleecker's older sister. A little bit more drama with the ruffle on this one. But you can definitely change the look of the ruffle based on your fabric choices. So that leads me to fabric. So for the body of the sweatshirt, for stretch knits only. So your sweatshirt fleece, these are both French terries, which work really well, especially for just a slightly lighter weight sweatshirt. And you could use other lighter weight knits as well. But I think it really works best in French terry or sweatshirt fleece. Now for the ruffle. So I wanted to show you a couple different examples. So this one is actually this is a polyester gingham. So they didn't have cotton. The polyester is just a bit rough, to be honest. And it really, you can see it gives this a lot of body. I love this look. It's very feminine and girly and dramatic. But if you want a softer look, like this is just a jersey knit. So it's really just kind of melting. It's more of a bohemian look as opposed to the more, a little bit more dramatic and preppy with the fabric with more body. So you can kind of see the two different looks. This one I just absolutely love. So if you saw my fabric haul video from a few weeks ago, you saw this quilted, and I, at that point, was thinking about making a Manhattan top out of it. But then once I decided that I would have enough stretch in this fabric to use it for the bands, it just kind of occurred to me how beautiful this would be as kind of a French style with the black. So this fabric, I'll link it below. I really love this fabric. I think that it made such a cool fashion piece. And for this ruffle, I just used a bamboo viscose. So I found this at my local fabric store, and you can see it's kind of grainy or filmy. That's the bamboo viscose. So I chose this because I wanted it to kind of have that filmy French, kind of almost like smoky kind of a feel. So I love that combo, and I think that this makes a really cool sweatshirt, very dramatic, but still very soft and bohemian. Then is kind of an in-between. This is a viscose that has just a bit more body. So you can see it's not falling quite as softly as these more silkier fabrics, but it does hold its body just a bit, which I personally love, especially with this print, but it's still romantic and kind of falling. So like all my PDF patterns, the Sullivan is layered by size, so you can just print your size, the size you want. And of course, illustrated instructions. This is a beginner-friendly project, and if you've never done gathers before, this is a really fun opportunity to give it a try. I do have a video, which I'll link above, walking through my, just a really simple technique that I use to get really lovely, even gathers. So definitely beginner-friendly and really fun sweatshirt to wear. And speaking of wearing it, I've been wearing mine with just back to jeans. I think you could also wear it back to like your sweats or yoga pants for like a really more of a casual look. And like, I think with like my flared jeans or kind of like maybe even flowy trousers, it kind of elevates the look a little. So it's really a very versatile sweatshirt, kind of however you want to style it, it kind of goes in that direction. But obviously for every day, it's a really, really good piece. Thank you so much for checking out my new pattern, and thanks for sharing the love. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.